Are you looking for the best sander for drywall? In this video, we will break down the top 5 sanders for drywall on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. WEN 6369 Drywall Sander. WEN 6369 Drywall Sander is present in the first position in this article as it is one of the cheapest options available out there. Irrespective of its highly affordable price tag, you get various handy features in this drywall sander that result in a high value for money. Even though it has an average build quality, you get a 2-year-long warranty for peace of mind. Since this is an electric drywall sander, it is powered by an electric motor that has a power rating of 5 amps that offers a great balance between performance and power consumption. You get a high motor speed of up to 1500 RPM that is quite high in its class. You also get various sanding discs included with this drywall sander that are always great to have. At number 2. Porter Cable 7800 Drywall Sander. The Porter Cable 7800 gives you a perfect ready-to-paint wall in minutes effort. This lightweight sander is convenient for both professionals and amateurs since it has variable speed controls. You can decrease its speed as low as 1,400 revolutions per minute and can speed it up to 2,000 revolutions per minute. This feature made it one of the most versatile sanders out in the market. Importantly, when most of the cheap sanders weigh more than 14 pounds, it comes with only 8.5 pounds, making it one of the most lightweight contenders in its category. Its long vacuum hose makes your work easier as it disperses almost all the dust out of your work area. At number 3. Power Pro 2100 Electric Drywall Sander. The Power Pro 2100 has a variable 6-speed motor, high RPMs, and a handle that extends to 5.5 feet, making this a versatile, powerful tool that is especially effective on ceilings. It's made from strong, lightweight aluminum and hard plastic, so it's not only going to be able to handle a lot of stress, but it's also lightweight and won't strain your arms or back. A really special thing about this tool is that the head has a unique design that allows it to pivot in all directions. It's easy to get into awkward angles because the head moves forward, backward, and side to side. This sander comes with a lot of extras: a carrying bag, vacuum hose, and a wide range of different sandpaper discs so you can get started on any project right away. The sandpaper easily attaches to the disc with strong, easy-to-use Velcro fasteners. This is a great tool for anyone, from a seasoned professional to a home DIYer. At number 4. Festool 571810 Rotex Sander. Not only is this Festool machine, this is the best random orbital sander that money can buy, it's also a certified beast when dealing with walls. Everything from its construction quality to the design and performance is absolutely top-notch. You won't find a flaw in it. First of all, it has monstrous power, featuring a 6 amp motor that roars with 720 W. It absolutely dominates even the toughest and roughest walls. The big 6-inch sanding pad is great for them as well since it cuts the time it takes to sand a whole wall quite significantly. With a variable speed that reaches a maximum of 6,800 orbits per minute, you can get outstanding, ready-to-paint finishes. At number 5. ALEKO 690E Electric Drywall Sander. The ALEKO 690E is about the same price as our best for the money, but shoppers should approach this model with caution. It also has the telescoping handle, variable speed motor, and comes with both a hose and several sanding discs. Unlike our other drywall sanders, this ALEKO also sells itself as appropriate for flooring work and adhesive removal. But at 10.5 pounds, it's a beast to handle, especially for ceiling work, and unlike our top pick, you can't count on it to make the best of your user errors. No one is excited about its finishing performance, either. To make matters worse, there are quite a few reports of DOA and short lifespan tools. If someone gives you one for Christmas, use it, but this isn't anyone's favorite.